Hi, I'm Parker Haney, and this is my artificial intelligence collaboration assignment video. So, to start off, I'm using ChatGPT 3.5, and at the beginning, all I asked was please provide 50 ideas for a simple Python application, and it responded back with certainly. Here are 50 ideas for simple Python applications you can work on. And from this list, I decided to go with number 29, which is crossword puzzle generator. So from there, I asked it, please provide code for a crossword puzzle generator using Python. And it says, creating a full-featured crossword puzzle generator is a complex task, but I can provide you with a simplified example to get you started. We'll generate a simple 4x4 crossword puzzle. You can extend this example to create larger puzzles or add more features as needed in this example. We'll use a list of words to fill the crossword. And then it generated this code here. And before I used it, I asked if it could provide comments for the code, and it did. It gave me back this code, and this code that is provided right here is the exact same code that I have over here. You can see that the column and rows is a 4x4 for the puzzle generator, and the words are cat, dog, rat, and bat. So if I just hit the run button right here, it will generate a 4x4 crossword puzzle. You can see dog right here, and here's rat, straight down, cat, and bat. But all this looks a bit too simple, so I decided to kind of expand on this, and I wanted to test the AI a little bit, so I asked, can you change the previous code to create a 8x8 crossword puzzle? It said, sure, you can modify the code to create an 8x8 crossword puzzle by changing the rows and columns variables to 8. Here's the modified code for an 8x8 crossword puzzle. And then I also asked if it could add comments to the previous code, and it did. And then I took this code and I copied it right into here. So now you can see that not only are there more words, but the words that are used are a bit longer because now it realizes that there's more room to fit longer words. So instead of it just being cat, dog, rat, and bat, there is now house and apple, which are both 5-letter words, tree, which is a 4-letter word, and sun. And you can see that the values for the two variables, rows and columns, have been changed to 8x8. And when you hit run, it will generate a 8x8 column. You can see right here. Here's apple. And here is house, straight down. Here's sun and bat. I'm not gonna find all of them, but they are all in here. Like here's tree, and that worked. And I was pretty happy about that, but I wanted to take it one step further just to see if it still worked. And I asked, can you change the previous code to create 20x20 crossword puzzles? And the words that it came up with were pretty interesting for this. So it just says, creating a 20x20 crossword puzzle is a more complex task due to the larger grid and need for longer words. Here's a modified version of code that generates a 20x20 crossword puzzle using longer words. And I asked if it could provide comments for it, and that's the code that I have over here. So as you can see, a lot of these words are pretty long, like hippopotamus, and the words now are completely changed. And just like last time, the two values, rows and columns, that is used to determine how many words are in a row and in a column, or sorry, how many letters are in a row and in a column. It's now 20x20, and when I hit run, it is now able to generate a full 20x20 grid. And let me see if, oh, right there, there's elephant. So yeah, it works. It's kind of future proof. The ChatGPT programmed all this in a very smart way where all you would have to do in order to make a bigger grid is simply change these two variables down here or up here, and then you could change the length of the words that you want to include in your crossword puzzle. And yeah, I thought this was a very cool assignment. I got to kind of learn how ChatGPT goes about coding their programs. And yeah, thank you for watching.